guys, welcome to Planet Coaster. I am Fractured Muffin Cake. I've got a speed build here for you today. I'm going to apologise right now. I did the recording yesterday and I'm now doing the commentary. Now, as you know, I'm quite new to YouTube and I'm not very chatty at the moment. I guess this is because of my confidence has been quite low, and I wanted to try and, challenge myself to do things that generally I wouldn't in normal life, to maybe, help out my confidence. So, as I said, do bear with me on this. But today we're building the start of the pirate section. It is just a building. That's what it started out to be. It was going to be a building, no paths or anything like that. But then, obviously I like the building to be used. I think it just looks better if you've got people using the buildings that you've built. So I wanted to give this building more of a rustic, rather than it being all perfect, smooth and all aligned and straight. And also try and use the items in ways that I've never used them, like these balconies. I wanted to use them as banisters. So overall, I'm quite pleased with the way the building turned out, even though I had to move it several times to get the paths to align, and you all know how great I am at paths. So yes, today has been, what day is it? It's Friday, which is always a good thing. Finished work at a nice 3:30, which was good. Home at 4, and then I thought I'd start just to get this ready to upload for you. And it's also bank holiday, which is great as well, and it's going to be nice to have a 3-day weekend. So with the ship I'm putting down, as I said, I wanted it to be more rusticy, so I thought, well, I'll put the front of the ship in just to give it some more dimension-y shapes. And this does turn out to be a fairly small building, but it's only obviously one of many that I'll be doing in the future. So I have kept this video quite short. I think it's just over 10 minutes because my upload speed is dire, and I will be sorting that out because I'd love to do some streaming, because I think that would really help me, and it'd be fun to do, I think. But my upload speed for some reason is just not good enough, so I will be sorting that out with my ISP soon. And wanted to get these balcony bits in just to edge it off, rather it being just being a block or just a roof. Just gives it more levels throughout the whole building. So I did quite like the way the balconies looked there. Bugger. I'm not doing very well, am I? Oh my god. Right, I'll just put some wood in that bit. And some lights. So, this is going well, obviously. I really am useless. But, back to my building. I think, in a moment, I decide, oh, there we go. The path, yes. Bloody path, which does take me a while to sort out, because I quite like those stairs, but in the end it's have to cover them up. Yes, I know the path looks terrible at the moment, but we will get this aligned, which obviously wrecks the ship section and the rocks, because they're not as part of the building. But it's alright, I'll rejig it and we'll get there. And I don't know how I'm going to do this, because I'm only at 4 minutes. So, again, I apologise for being so terrible. But hey, maybe I'll improve. Maybe, only maybe. Maybe I will improve. So now we have some toilets in there. Finally got the path set up there. And now I wanted to get the cargo in there, but I didn't know the way that it was clipping through. So if you're still with me, thank you very much. You're amazing. I don't know how you've done it, but thank you. Yeah, and I did like these. Yeah, I did. I get all of them. They just didn't look right. So just mainly finishing off the border of the building now. We'll do a few lights and that when we get to night time. I did add some additional ones near the end, which you may not see because it seemed just a little bit dark in some sections. But I like the building. I think it's quite cool. A bit different. As I said before, not my usual style. So just gonna get the lights going now. I believe there's one light that I put in I didn't like at all because I think the position I put it was shining on the small palms. They're like really like bright. So I did end up deleting that. Oh, and these are windows. If you didn't know, and someone tried in a minute to throw rocks through the windows, but I don't think they were that clever because they were too big to fit through there anyway. You'll see what I'm talking about in a minute. So yeah, working inside, getting a little bit of light, so it's still quite dark in there. So I do eventually, as I said, add some more lights. So let me know what you think of this building, and again, if you've got any ideas, I'll be quite happy to have a go. See, look, I'm trying to throw rocks through the walls. I don't know if I can do it anymore. Why am I so rubbish? See, I like the build, it's just me talking. It's the rubbish bit. Hey, there we go. Starting to seal off the building now. Put some arches at the top to give it more balcony look. And what time are we at? 8 minutes, 2 minutes to go. What can I bore you with? Oh! The update. I can't remember what date is coming out. I don't know if it's like 20 something of May with the terraforming, which should really help with this kind of build. I'm hoping, I don't know whether they're going to bring in water into that section, but that would be awesome, especially with like the priority things, especially. So just finishing off with some little bit of decor. This rock was annoying me. It kept walking into the building, so I just ended up deleting it. I think, there we go. It's gone. And I'll just add some more seaweed, let it look a bit old and worn. And this is a nightmare. This bit wood section, I had to come right back to get it because my mouse can hit the cursor. Get the toilet signs so that people know there's toilets, and then we'll seal off the roof there. So, again, I apologise about my commentary. I just need to relax more and just talk about stuff, you know, not necessarily just what I'm doing in the video, because you can obviously see that. So, thanks for watching. I do really appreciate it. It means see. Let me know what you think. Leave your comments. This has been Planet Coaster, and I'm Fractured Muffin Cake, and I'll leave you with this.